Banana Glowing Skin Face Pack. I need 1 banana. Bananas contain vitamins A and C, which are essential for healthy, youthful-looking skin. Cut the banana into small pieces. Vitamin A can help reduce fine lines and wrinkles, while vitamin C can help brighten and even out your skin tone. Mash these pieces. Helps reduce acne scars, oily skin, brighten skin. Banana helps lighten the dark spots and whitens the skin tone. Banana face mask for brighter, glowing skin. Add 1 spoon honey. Honey for dry skin, oily skin, and acne. Honey help control wrinkles and fine lines on the face. Add 1 spoon Malta lemon juice. Lemon has a high acidic content and can be an effective solution to brighten your skin tone, lighten dark spots. Mix well. It's a wonder ingredient that can keep all of your skin woes at bay and help you achieve healthy, flawless skin. It topically on skin can keep it hydrated skin as well as make it soft and smooth. Wash the skin well before applying the pack. This face mask helps fighting pimples and reducing acne scars and blemishes. Use this mask once or twice a week for best results. Leave it for 20 minutes. Wash it off.